Hey, Chopper Army, or Choppers. Hi. So a while back, my grandma cleaned her pool of cement. And all of the drainage went here. I made a little waterfall system. There are two ways like a watershed. Here's the smaller one, and there's the main. Now if we hop over here, literally, we will find that this is actually sand. Nowhere close to me is there water except for that pool that is over there. This is amazing. Then if you come over here, even more sand. And since the cement dried up from the liquidy form, the rocks I placed here are in it. Like maybe these can come out. Yeah, these can come out, but easily placed back in. Then the cement that's dried over here, you can pick off. It's like foam. Due to its being such a liquidy form. Not foam, form. And since this overflowed, if you peel back the grass, you will see this. But here's a better example. This. Then here's some runoff stuff. Then the further out you go, the less it ends up. Also, here's a frog that I captured from my grandmother's pool. Amazing. So yeah. You might see a bit more of this after, but this was really cool. So see you guys in the next video. This is Chopper373 signing off. But before I do, amazing to the touch. It feels like foam, but softer. Bye.